In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text, unwrap text, and clip text in Google Sheets. These simple formatting options can greatly enhance the readability and visual presentation of your spreadsheet data. Let's dive in and explore these techniques in detail. First, open your Google Sheets document where you want to apply these text formatting options. You can access Google Sheets by going to sheets@google.com and selecting the document from your list or creating a new one. Once you've got your document open, select the cell or range of cells where you'd like to change the text wrapping. This is a crucial step because the formatting will only apply to the cells you've highlighted. Next, look at the toolbar at the top of your Google Sheets interface. You're going to find a button that looks like a bent arrow. Hover your mouse over this icon, and you'll see it's the text wrapping button. This is where the magic happens. Go ahead and click on it to open the text wrapping options. You'll see three choices: wrap, clip, and overflow. Let's break down what each of these does. Choose the wrap option to make sure that all content within a cell is fully visible. Wrapping text automatically moves words onto a new line within the same cell. This feature is especially useful if you have lengthy text entries such as descriptions or notes, and you want to maintain your column width while ensuring the entire text is visible. Alternatively, if you're working with cells that have minimal text, or if you simply prefer neater lines, you can opt for the clip option. When you clip text, any content that exceeds the column width will be hidden, rather than moved to the next line. This is useful for maintaining a consistent appearance in spreadsheets where text length isn't critical. Lastly, consider the overflow option, which is, in fact, the default setting in Google Sheets. This allows text to spill over into adjacent empty cells, maintaining the appearance of continuous text without being constrained by the cell's borders. Be mindful with this option, as any data in the neighboring cells might get obscured. Always remember, these changes can be easily reversed. If at any time you decide another option is more appropriate, simply select your cells again and choose a different text wrapping option. Additionally, these settings can be applied to multiple cells at once. Just click and drag to highlight the cells in question before heading to the text wrapping button. By mastering these options, you're not just streamlining your data management tasks, you're also enhancing the aesthetic and functional quality of your Google Sheets work. So go ahead, experiment with these features in your projects, and watch as your data presentations become more refined and impactful. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial useful.